Well, today Simon, John and I are heading down south to find some of these elusive truffles. I wonder how hard it is to actually find a truffle. These are Mark's secret weapons in the search for truffles, Betty and Wilma. And rumour has it that Simon's a bit of a truffle man himself. He knows how to sniff out a truffle, apparently. Under the old oak tree, as they say. Wow, well done. That's got to be the biggest truffle I've ever seen. Black gold, they call them.
Oh my god. Look at these.
All the locals seem to be pretty impressed with this find. And now the plan is to head out in the boat and see if we can catch a few crays to go with the truffles. We very soon find ourselves at the Crayfish honey hole, a secret spot. One of the locals comes in to check how we're going. Happily, this shark is more interested in the outboard motor than us. And our catch makes it all well worthwhile. We're planning a big feast this evening, and one of the crayfish that Mark caught is known as a southern fighter crayfish. And as we head for home after this great weekend, I begin to contemplate. Next week, this time, we'll be in West Papua on a diving expedition. I'm taking my cameras and I hope that I can get some interesting footage to share with you guys. And also, it shouldn't be too long before my KTM 790 Adventure R turns up, and I can start posting a review on how that goes. I must say that all of the reviews I've seen so far are very positive and very encouraging, that my decision to buy this bike is a good one.